In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find hidden chats in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're tidying up your chat list by hiding conversations, or you've accidentally hidden a chat you now need to access. This feature can be incredibly useful. Let's break down the steps so you can find those hidden chats with ease. First, let's get started by visiting the Microsoft Teams website. Open your web browser and navigate to teamslive.com. Once you arrive at the Teams website, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your username and password and make sure everything is spelled correctly so you can access your account without a hitch. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Microsoft Teams, which is the hub for all your communication and collaboration needs. Now that you're in your account, let's handle the search. Look toward the top of the interface. That's where the search bar resides. This is a powerful tool that comes in handy for many tasks, including retrieving hidden chats. Click on the search bar and type in the name of the person whose chat you have hidden. As you type, Teams will begin to show search results that match what you're entering. This means you won't have to type out the entire name before you see relevant suggestions. It's quite convenient. Once you have entered the name, search results will display below the search bar. Keep an eye out to spot the name of the person you're searching for. You'll want to select this contact from the list. Clicking on the user's name will direct you to their chat interface. Even though you hid this chat previously, Teams still keeps them accessible through search. This way, none of your important messages are permanently lost. Next, with the chat interface open, look for an option usually nestled near the top, labeled as Show Hidden Chat History. Clicking this will expand the chat to reveal any previous messages you might have hidden. This is a great complement to the organizational features of Teams, balancing tidiness with ease of access to historical conversations. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to reveal those hidden chats. Now your chat list should reflect all visible and previous messages exchanged. Whether you need to revisit past communication or retrieve important information, knowing how to uncover these hidden gems can profoundly aid your daily workflow. Remember these steps, and future chats will always be at your fingertips. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other helpful resources or guides. Happy chatting in Microsoft Teams.